All right, exercise B for our harvest home is all just D and A. It's just trying to get our wrist to do this work for us. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and keep that wrist and going back and forth. Nice and easy. Have that wrist hang, that hand hang underneath your wrist, and that your elbow is high enough so that it can do what it's supposed to. All right, let's get started. Mid bow for this. 1 and go and 1 and